Good afternoon, sir, and all my dear friends. My topic is comparison between Covishield and Covaxin. I belongs to the Department of Chemistry, Group CEZ. Comparison between Covaxin and Covishield. The COVID-19 vaccination drive has already begun in India, and many people are still unaware of how the two vaccines, Covaxin and Covishield, are different from each other. The third phase begins on April 1, in which people over the age of 18 can take in saving shots. Currently, the government hasn't allowed people to decide which vaccine they want to get, but the result of the first phase clearly suggests that both the vaccines being inoculated in India are safe and effective. As of now, 41.2 crore doses have been administered, while 8.55 crore people of 6.3% of the total populations are fully vaccinated. Covaxin versus Covishield, which one is better? Now this question is basically in among all the peoples. Well, we have compiled all the information to give you a better understanding of formulation and even other details about the vaccines you are going to get to stay safe from the coronavirus. Have a look. Developer. Covaxin has been developed by Hyderabad-based Bharat Biotech International Limited in association with the Indian Council of Medical Research (ICMR) and the National Institute of Virology (NIV). Covaxin is currently trying to pursue WHO approval to ease international travel woes for people who have opted for this vaccine. All the relevant documents have urgently been submitted to the officials of WHO. Now we summing up the difference between Covaxin and Covishield. As we look at Covishield, the interval between first and second doses is 12 to 16 weeks. As we go to Covaxin, the interval between the two doses is 4 to 6 weeks. As we see the Covishield, efficiency after the second dose can vary from 70 to 90%, and the Covaxin, the 78 to 95 effective after the second dose. People above 18 years of age can operate for this vaccine. This vaccine can be injected into people above 18 years of age. Ages of beneficiaries. Covaxin and Covishield has been approved for people aged 18 years and above. At PharmaEasy, we wanted to extend our support to the Government of India in its COVID vaccination drive. And thus, with our Go Corona Go initiative, we are offering a token of appreciation to every user who has got vaccinated. Basically, we are on the lookout for superheroes who will help make India COVID-19 free. For every vaccine taken by a citizen, we would give him a flat 150 Pharma Easy cash in the wallet to the users that can be used on their next medical order. Side effects. After getting vaccinated, you may experience pain at the site of injection. Some people may also experience side effects such as headache, joint pain, and may feel feverish. These side effects do not persist for long and generally go within a day or two.